Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find H&M promo codes in 2025. So as you can see that currently I'm on H&M.com's official website, and here currently final sale is going on in which you can get up to 70% off. So before going to any other promo codes website, I would recommend you to come to H&M.com's website first, and over here you just have to simply take a look at the deals or the promo codes that are currently going on. You can even contact with the customer service in this regard, and they can get you the best offer according to your account. Now the second thing that you can do is you can simply open your web browser and search for H&M promo codes 2025. Now you will see a bunch of different websites that will provide you bunch of different promo codes. So you just have to simply open them in a new tab and hop onto them one by one. Like if I come to this website, that is grabon.in, you will find a bunch of different deals in which you can get 70% off, free shipping, 10% off. So you just have to simply click on that particular deal which you want to activate, and then once the offer is activated, you just have to simply conclude your purchase, and at the time of checkout you will get the deals activated. Or you can even simply come to some other website and you can even try to find out if there is any promo code that is working. Like with this promo code you can get 25% off, so you need to simply click on it and copy the code from here, and in order to redeem it you just have to simply click on the redeem. And then after selecting your products at the time of checkout, you just have to simply use this promo code and check if it is working. Or if it is not working, you need to find some other codes and you need to just keep on trying until you find the best coupon code for H&M. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.